We want to create a VLOOKUP, also known as vertical lookup function, to display the price paid by customer number 106. To do this, I'm going to enter the function into cell H20. The first argument, lookup value, that's going to be the value that the user enters into cell H18. Second argument, table array, this is where we select our columns. We have to start at customer number because customer number is the lookup column. If we were to start at date of sale and select the whole table, the function would not work correctly. The third argument, column index number, this is simply the column that we're getting our result from. So from the lookup column, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, fourth column, price paid. Range lookup, this is if we want approximate match or exact match. We want an exact match because we're looking up customer number and these are exact numbers that we want to get a result from. Now here it says NA, that's because we did not enter a value into cell H18 yet. So I'm going to enter in 106 and we get 720, which corresponds to customer number and price paid. If I enter in 103, we get 99, 101, 499, and you can see how this function works. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is our lookup column was customer number. If price paid came to the left of customer number, this function would not work. Our results that we're looking up have to come to the right of the lookup column. And in this case, price paid is to the right.